Varicose veins are a common condition that affects many people, especially as they age. These swollen, twisted veins often appear in the legs and can be uncomfortable and unsightly. While diet alone cannot cure varicose veins, it can play a significant role in managing some of the symptoms and promoting overall vein health. In this video, we will explore foods and dietary recommendations that may be beneficial if you have varicose veins. 1. High-fiber foods. A diet rich in fiber is essential for individuals with varicose veins. Fiber helps prevent constipation, which can worsen varicose veins by increasing abdominal pressure. Foods high in fiber include whole grains like oats, quinoa, and whole wheat bread, as well as legumes like beans and lentils. Additionally, fruits and vegetables such as apples, pears, broccoli, and carrots are excellent sources of dietary fiber. 2. Fruits and vegetables. Incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet is crucial for managing varicose veins. These foods are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, which can help reduce inflammation and improve overall circulation. Berries, especially blueberries and strawberries, are known for their high antioxidant content. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, which supports blood vessel health. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale are also beneficial due to their vitamin K content, which aids in blood clotting. 3. Foods with flavonoids. Flavonoids are natural compounds that have been shown to strengthen blood vessel walls and reduce inflammation. Including flavonoid-rich foods in your diet can be beneficial for varicose vein management. Examples of such foods include citrus fruits, berries, onions, garlic, and dark chocolate, in moderation. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids called flavonols, which may help improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their ability to support cardiovascular health. Including sources of omega-3s in your diet can be beneficial for individuals with varicose veins. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3s. Additionally, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are plant-based options to consider. 5. Water. Staying adequately hydrated is essential for maintaining good circulation and preventing blood from pooling in the veins. Dehydration can exacerbate the symptoms of varicose veins. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day to support healthy blood flow and overall health. 6. Herbs and spices. Some herbs and spices are known for their potential benefits in promoting vein health. Ginger and turmeric, for example, have anti-inflammatory properties and can be incorporated into your diet as seasonings or consumed in the form of herbal teas. 7. Potassium-rich foods. Potassium is a mineral that helps balance sodium levels in the body, reducing water retention and swelling. Foods like bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach, and oranges are rich in potassium and can be included in your diet to support vein health. 8. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a natural compound with potential benefits for blood flow improvement and inflammation reduction. You can include garlic in your cooking or take garlic supplements after consulting with a healthcare professional. 9. Compression stockings. While not a food, wearing compression stockings can significantly improve circulation and relieve symptoms associated with varicose veins. Compression stockings work by applying pressure to the legs, helping to prevent blood from pooling and reducing the appearance of varicose veins. In conclusion, while these dietary recommendations can help manage some symptoms and promote vein health, it's important to remember that varicose veins may require a comprehensive treatment plan that includes lifestyle changes, medical procedures, or medications. If you have severe or persistent symptoms or are concerned about your condition, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and personalized treatment recommendations. A healthcare provider can assess your specific situation and provide guidance on the most appropriate course of action to manage your varicose veins effectively.